In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you on how to avoid WhatsApp account bans in 2025. You need to do this now to ensure that your WhatsApp account is safe and is never ever going to be blocked going further. So WhatsApp, a very important application to most of us these days. Not just us as common people, it's very important to business houses as well. It's a very useful app that helps you to do marketing, communicate with others and stuff like that. So these days you could even advertise through WhatsApp and grow a store out there, and you can do business through WhatsApp itself. It has a lot of facilities as compared to how it was before when it came. It was just an SMS sending app. It was just there to communicate with friends and family members, right? So we become so used to WhatsApp that it has become a part of our lives, just like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever it is, whatever application you find dear to yourself, right? WhatsApp is very important, basically. So there is an ongoing problem with WhatsApp and its users, wherein WhatsApp is like randomly blocking or banning accounts like anything. In India, since January till now, WhatsApp has banned almost 10 million accounts in India only. So you could well imagine all around the world how many accounts have been banned. If you're watching my video for today, you are kind of skeptical about your account being banned because maybe WhatsApp is very important to you. So in order for you to ensure that your account never gets banned, just follow these golden rules for WhatsApp. The first rule is never spam and involve in suspicious activity. So you may just have a business, if you have a clothing brand or whatever it is. All right, do not go ahead and send SMS to a group of say 10,000 people. Now what happens is that we have a lot of interesting websites online through which you could get a service for web scraping. You get sellers who provide that service. They just sweep a website and get out numbers from there, 10,000 numbers or 20,000 numbers or whatever it is. So if you have this in your head that you're going to do web scraping and you are going to get bulk numbers, you're going to create a WhatsApp group of 10,000 people. You could start sending messages in that group. That's actually not allowed. That's a violation. You are going to get banned. Don't do it. The second golden rule is to never utilize unauthorized third-party applications that impersonate WhatsApp. You have a lot of applications on Google Play, or you could even download the APK from any search engines. Don't do that. Okay, if you do so, if WhatsApp comes to know, they are definitely going to ban your account. So you may be thinking to use 10 accounts or 20 accounts on one phone. You do that legally. Okay, you could clone your WhatsApp application. That is allowed. You could go ahead and use WhatsApp web. You could open multiple browsers and you could do that. That's okay. But do not go ahead and use third-party applications. That is absolutely not allowed. And the third golden rule covers up each and everything to ensure that you are never ever getting banned on WhatsApp. Do not violate any terms and conditions. If you have a doubt, go to the official website for WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, and you could go ahead, scroll right down, and you could go through their terms and conditions if you want. Okay, you click on terms and privacy policy, and you could view all the terms and conditions and just follow the terms and conditions. I'm sure you're not going to read through, but what I want you to ensure is to be ethical with WhatsApp. Do not spam, do not scam, do not forward those scammy SMSs like forward this 10 times and you're going to get a recharge or something like that. Do not do all those things. So if you're using WhatsApp normally as a messenger, that's okay. WhatsApp is never ever going to ban your account. My account was banned once, but I got it unbanned, and after that I never ever got my account banned. Even I faced this problem some time back. Okay, WhatsApp thought I was spamming because it was my kid's birthday and I had to send these digital e-cards to around 40 contacts of mine, and some contacts were added externally. So what happened was my account got banned the next day itself. And I requested an unban. It got unbanned, but again it got banned. So then finally what I did was I went ahead and sent an email across to WhatsApp. I got a response after like 6 days, and they gave me the same automated thing. I again sent them a message through the website, and this time I got a response from a person, I think in the customer care department or whatever it is, and then I explained my case to them. I even proved it. I sent my kid's birth certificate across and the e-card. So I just told them that I was inviting people across. I was not trying to spam or anything like that. Okay, because this is the digital age. We don't print out physical cards and send it by post anymore, right? We send e-cards. So they understood my case and they unbanned my account. And if you have a genuine cause, if you think that your account was banned by mistake and you need to unban it, you can explain to them. So I have made a video in which I'm showing you how to communicate with WhatsApp for different scenarios. They are also human beings. They can understand your issue. Okay, so you could watch this video of mine, link is in the description, and understand how you should communicate with them so that your account gets unbanned if it is banned. So I hope this video gives you some knowledge on this topic, which is actually a big problem these days for many of us. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my best to help you with anything related to this topic. Take care, my friend.